Did you know about these shocking benefits of turmeric for optimal health? Welcome to our deep dive into the wonders of turmeric, a spice that's been revered for centuries in traditional medicine across the globe. Turmeric isn't just a kitchen staple that adds a vibrant golden hue and a warm, earthy flavor to your dishes. It's also a superfood that packs a serious health punch. This powerful spice is the secret ingredient in many health remedies, thanks to its numerous therapeutic properties. From ancient Ayurveda to modern nutrition, turmeric has been celebrated for its potential to promote wellness and prevent diseases. It's a spice that's not just for your curry, but also for your health. But what makes turmeric so special? And what are these acclaimed health benefits? Get ready to uncover the magic of this golden spice. Stay tuned to discover the 5 astounding benefits of turmeric that can help you achieve optimal health. One of the most well-known benefits of turmeric is its powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is not inherently bad. It's the body's natural defense mechanism against injury or infection, helping to heal the affected area by increasing blood flow and bringing in healing agents. But when inflammation persists for a long time, becoming chronic, it can play a role in various diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's. Now, this is where the golden spice, turmeric, steps in. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, is a natural anti-inflammatory compound. It works at the molecular level, blocking molecules that travel into cells and trigger inflammation. In fact, scientific studies have shown that curcumin can match the effectiveness of some anti-inflammatory drugs without the side effects. So, imagine that. Just by adding a dash of turmeric to your meals, you could potentially reduce the risk of the chronic inflammation and its associated health conditions. So, including turmeric in your diet could help you fight off chronic inflammation and related diseases. Turmeric is not only anti-inflammatory, but it's also an antioxidant powerhouse. You see, our bodies are constantly under attack from free radicals. These pesky molecules can cause extensive cell damage, leading to a vast array of health issues. Antioxidants are like the body's personal superheroes, stepping in to protect our cells from the havoc wreaked by free radicals. So, where does turmeric come in? Well, it's packed with a compound called curcumin, which is a potent antioxidant. This means it has the power to neutralize free radicals, effectively disarming them. But curcumin doesn't stop there. It also boosts your body's own antioxidant enzymes, essentially turbocharging your body's defense system. Imagine it this way. Curcumin is like a personal trainer, not only fighting alongside your body's antioxidant enzymes, but also helping them to become stronger and more effective. By incorporating turmeric into your meals, you could enhance your body's defense against harmful free radicals. Did you know turmeric could also boost your brain function? It's true, one of turmeric's active ingredients, curcumin, has been found to increase brain levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF. Now you might be asking, what's BDNF? It's a type of growth hormone that functions within your brain. Think of BDNF as a natural fertilizer for your brain. It helps your neurons, which are the building blocks of the brain, to flourish and form new connections. This process is crucial for learning, memory, and higher thinking. Interestingly, many common brain disorders, including depression and Alzheimer's disease, have been linked to decreased levels of this crucial hormone. This means that by increasing the levels of BDNF in your brain, curcumin could potentially help to delay or even reverse many brain diseases and age-related decreases in brain function. So, adding turmeric to your diet could potentially improve your memory and make you smarter. Another impressive benefit of turmeric is its potential to improve heart health. Now let's delve into that. Heart disease is not a simple condition. It's an intricate web of numerous factors, each contributing in its own way. One such factor is the health of the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels. Imagine your blood vessels as a vast highway system, and the endothelium is the surface of those roads. If that surface isn't smooth, traffic, or in this case blood, doesn't flow as efficiently. This is where the magic ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, steps in. Curcumin can potentially enhance the function of the endothelium, making those highways smoother for blood to flow. In the realm of heart health, this is a significant contribution. It's like having a built-in road repair crew in your body, working constantly to keep those highways smooth and traffic flowing. This means that turmeric could help protect your heart by enhancing the function of the endothelium. Last but not least, turmeric may play a role in cancer prevention. The golden spice's potential in this arena lies primarily in a compound it contains called curcumin. Research suggests that curcumin could have several effects on the cellular level that might help prevent cancer or slow its progression. One of these effects is reducing angiogenesis, which is the growth of new blood vessels in tumors. By doing this, curcumin could potentially starve a tumor of nutrients and slow its growth. Another effect is minimizing metastasis, the spread of cancer from one part of the body to another. Curcumin has also been found to contribute to the death of cancerous cells, a process known as apoptosis. It's important to note, however, that while these findings are promising, more research is needed to fully understand curcumin's role in cancer prevention and treatment. But in the meantime, these preliminary findings suggest turmeric could be a powerful ally in the fight against cancer. So, there you have it. 5 shocking benefits of turmeric for optimal health. We've delved into how this golden superfood, often found in your kitchen spice rack, can play a significant role in maintaining and enhancing your health. Firstly, we discussed the potent anti-inflammatory properties of turmeric, which can help combat various conditions, from arthritis to heart disease. We then touched on its role as an antioxidant powerhouse, combating harmful free radicals in your body. Next, we delved into how turmeric can give your brain a healthy boost. With its potent compounds, it can potentially enhance brain function and even stave off neurological diseases. We also explored the heart health benefits of turmeric, with its ability to improve blood flow and reduce cholesterol levels. Last but not least, we discussed the potential role of turmeric in cancer prevention, a field of ongoing research promising exciting results. Remember, a little sprinkle of turmeric can go a long way in promoting your health, so why not spice up your meals with this golden superfood?